All right, just finished bonnet cleaning. One bedroom, well, one room in a three bedroom. This is actually the carpet I just cleaned. I got footprints on it leading to the kitchen because it's still kind of wet. But this carpet wasn't really super duper dirty. Um, it just needed to be cleaned because people moved out. You want to get all the dirt out. Um, this is my floor buffer here that I use the bonnet clean. And a lot of people, you know, they look down on bonnet cleaning because they ask, where does all the dirt go? They don't see a hose, they don't see anything sucking up, water. And like they sit back and wonder, like, are you even cleaning it? Like, where is the dirt going? And with these bonnets here, they are very absorbent, and it's basically called pad extraction. The very first thing you want to do is let your vacuum do all the work. If your vacuum can suck up most of the dirt, which vacuuming is supposed to, then you can go back and bonnet clean just basically the oils and stuff off of the carpet with your pre-treatment, and then your bonnet is what then goes up around and absorbs the oils and the dirt out of the carpet with it, scrubbing in a rotating motion. But this is the clean side. This is a brand new bonnet. I just used this on one room today, and this is the side that was underneath the buffer. The one that's attached to the buffer, and this here is the side that touched the floor. So as you can see, I still got some dirt around those edges because, it absorbed through that area. But if we go and just take a look, that's never been, used for anything ever. This is a brand new. And then you go to this side, it actually looks a whole lot dirtier in person than it does on camera. But that's a night and day difference. That's where all the dirt is going. And if I was to take this bonnet and dunk it in 5 gallons of water, it would be just as black as the water would have been, as 5 gallons of water would have been if I used an extractor. And it looks weird. It's not as popular. It's not as like highly sought after because of marketing, and just the way, like, just like the lack of knowledge on the way that it looks, you know what I mean? But this is a high-rise building. I'm gonna show you where my car. This is a high-rise building in a very, very, very bad neighborhood. My car is down there. That truck down there, that's my car. And there's no way I can get, a 250-pound portable in here. And, I probably won't be bringing one in here anyway because, this is a very, bad neighborhood here. I haven't vacuumed this floor. I'm getting ready to vacuum it. As you can see, the carpets don't really look that dirty. So I haven't even cleaned this one, and it looks, you know, just as clean as the other carpet back there, except for some darker spots. That's actually a dark spot right here. You can't even really see it on camera that well, but that's, like a very dark area. Now I can see, what carpet cleaners be talking about when they say that it don't really look the same on camera as it do in person. Because I watch a lot of carpet cleaning videos, and they always say that, and I wonder like what they really referring to when they say that. But I guess this is what they are talking about. But I'm getting ready to bonnet clean this room too. I got that other room in there. I got my pre-spray dwelling in this room. That room is clean. I just gotta wait for it to dry. So, hey, I just wanted to say that that's where the dirt is going. It's all in the pad. That's a brand new pad. Haven't been used. Never been used on anything. Not even the air. That's the brand new side, and that's the dirty side. I only done one room. And if I was to dunk this in 5 gallons of water, you know, it'd be just as black as the water would have been if I would have used an extractor. And this is the method that I'm gonna be using all winter long, so that I don't risk breaking the pump on my portable, because it gets very, very, very cold here in Ohio.